Using the Lydarz Automatic Inflatable Tent Canopy is easy. 1. Connect the canopy zipper end to the zipper end on the tent door, and zip it up to attach the canopy to the tent. 2. Adjust the length of the canopy support poles as needed. Combine 10 short poles to create 2 long ones for supporting the canopy. 3. Use the support poles to prop up the 2 middle corners of the canopy. Thread the poles through the canopy support loops and secure them with ropes and stakes. Adjust the tension of the ropes accordingly. 4. Optionally, prop up the front end of the canopy using support poles for a sleeker look, or tighten the ropes for a neat appearance. Additionally, the modular canopy design allows for separate use without connecting to the tent. Follow these simple steps for a hassle-free setup. For more information about Lydarz Automatic Inflatable Tents, visit our website or follow us for updates. Happy camping!